Good morning, children. How are you? All are fine. That's very good. Now, just recap in this chapter. Just we have to recap that what we studied in the last class. Okay, what are the things we studied in the last class? Yes, clothes are our basic needs. Right, clothes are one of our basic needs. നമുക്ക് തുണിയില്ലാതെ നമുക്ക് പറ്റില്ല അല്ലേ? നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗമാണ് എന്ത്? ഡ്രസ്സുകൾ, ഉടുപ്പുകൾ. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. പല തരത്തിലുള്ള സീസൺസിൽ നമ്മൾ പല തരത്തിലുള്ള എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? ഡ്രസ്സുകൾ ഇടുന്നു. We get cotton from cotton plants, silk from the cocoon of silkworm, leather from animal skin, and wool from the fur of some animals. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and artificial fibers. There are many uses of clothes. These are the things we studied in the last class. Then today we have to do some exercise of this chapter. Okay. And all of you take your EVS textbook and take page number 27. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. Cotton is obtained from dash. From where did we get cotton? Yes, very good. We get cotton from cotton plants. Then you have to write there cotton plant. And the second one, silk is obtained from dash. From where did we get silk? Yeah, from silkworm. Very good. Third one, the process by which fibers are converted into yarn is called dash. Fibers yarnilekku convert ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോസസ്സിനെ പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? Yes, very good. Spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. And the fourth one, examples of natural fibers. Which are the examples of natural fibers? Yes, wool and silk. Wool and silk. That dash you have to write wool and silk. And the fifth one, dash absorbs sweat easily and allows air to pass through it. ഏത് തരം ഡ്രസ്സുകളാണ് നമ്മുടെ വിയർപ്പൊക്കെ ഒപ്പുകയും അത് എയറൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ആ ഡ്രസ്സിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്യാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്? യെസ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. കോട്ടൺ ഡ്രസ്. കോട്ടൺ. ഓക്കെ, ഡിഡ് യു കംപ്ലീറ്റ്? Yes, the next one, write down 3 things we use made from these. Which are the things? 3 things we have to made from given below. Okay, the first one, silk fiber. Which are the 3 things we get from the silk fiber? Yes, silk fiber we get from silk fiber, silk saree. Okay, then okay, silk kurta, then silk dupatta, okay. And the second one, cotton fiber. Which are the 3 things we get from cotton fibers? Yes, shirt, pillow, then okay, sari, cotton pillow, cotton shirt. Okay, then the third one, which are the 3 things we get from the woolen fiber? From woolen fiber, which are the 3 things we get? Yes, sweater, then yes, very good, socks, then okay, good, gloves. gloves. Okay. Now you have to arrange the given pictures in correct order 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the A, which is the first picture? Yes, the worm. Okay, the insect that eating the leaf, that is the one. And second one, yes, cocoon. Third one, okay, fiber. And fourth one, cloth. Okay, then what does the order come? 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, then B. So the first one come. Okay, spinning. Yes, then. Okay, second one, weaving. Okay, then third one, dyeing and stitching. Then what is the order it come? 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, these are the order. Then who am I? The next exercise is who am I? Who is this? What do you see in the first picture? Yes, who is that? Okay, Navy officer. Then you have to write Navy officer. Then second picture. Yes, very good. Police officer. Then third picture. Yes, doctor. Fourth picture. Very good. Lawyer. Then the last picture. Yes, excellent. Firefighter. Firefighter. Okay. Then all of you turn your page and take page number 28. Circle the correct option. You can choose more than one. Okay, the first one. What is the name of the process by which yarn is converted into fabric? Yarn fabricലേക്ക് convert ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോസസ്സിനെ പറയുന്ന പേരെന്താണ്? Spinning, dyeing, weaving, stitching. Yes, very good. Weaving. Then you have to circle. Weaving. Okay, weaving you have to circle. Then the second one, which clothes would you prefer wearing in summer? Cotton, woolen, nylon, leather. Summer season നമ്മൾ ഏത് തരം clothes ആണ് ധരിക്കുക? Yes, very good. Cotton. Then you have to circle cotton. Have to circle cotton. Then the third one, which items are made from cloths? Glass, bedsheet, book, table cover, towel. Which other things be made from cloths? Yes. Bedsheet. Then okay. Then yes, table cover. Then towel. Okay, these are the things we get from clothes. Okay, that three things you have to circle. Now I will ask a few questions to you. You have to give me the answer. Okay, the first one, Write the names of 3 animals from which we get wool. From which animals we get wool? Name 3 animals. ഏതൊക്കെ ആനിമൽസിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് wool കിട്ടുന്നത്? Yes, sheep, then yak, camel. Okay, very good. Second one, in which season do we wear silk clothes? നമ്മൾ സിൽക്ക് ക്ലോത്ത്സ് ഏതൊക്കെ സീസണിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇതാക്കുന്നത്? ഏതൊക്കെ കാലാവസ്ഥയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ സിൽക്ക് ക്ലോത്ത്സ് വെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? യെസ്, വിന്റർ സീസൺ ആൻഡ് സമ്മർ സീസൺ. വൈ we wear silk clothes in summer and winter season? Yes, because they keep us cool in summer and warm in winter. അല്ലേ? ചൂടുകാലത്ത് നമുക്ക് കുളിര് ഏകുകയും ചെയ്യും, തണുപ്പ് കാലത്ത് നമുക്ക് ചൂട് കിട്ടുകയും ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ. What are natural fibers? Yes, fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. Example, cotton, wool, silk is called natural fibers. Then what is artificial fibers? Artificial fibers means it is made from human beings. Okay, it is a chemicals. Example for nylon. Okay, like that. This. Write any 5 uses of clothes. You have to write any 5 uses of clothes. Which are the 5 uses of clothes? Yes, clothes protect us from heat. Then cloth protects from rain. Okay, then yes, cloth is required for making uniform. Okay, then bedsheet is made from cloth. Okay, then one more. Cloth is made from cloth. Okay, and how do we get cotton? From where did we get cotton? Yes, we get cotton from cotton plants. Write the difference between natural fibers and artificial fibers. What is the difference between artificial fibers and natural fibers? Yes, natural fibers means natural fibers is obtained from both plants and animals. Example, wool, cotton and silk, etc. And artificial fibers are obtained from man-made fibers using chemicals. The man-mades are using with chemicals. അല്ലേ? മനുഷ്യര് കെമിക്കൽസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതാണ് ആർട്ടിഫിഷ്യൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സ്. നാച്ചുറൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സ് എന്താണ്? നമുക്ക് പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നിന്ന്, ആനിമൽസിൽ നിന്നും പ്ലാന്റ്സിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നതാണ് നാച്ചുറൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സ്. ആൻഡ് ദ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഫോർ ആർട്ടിഫിഷ്യൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സ് ആർ നൈലോൺ, rayon, polyesters, etc. These are the examples for artificial fibers. Now, I will give you a homework for you. Your sister is fond of different dresses. നിങ്ങളുടെ സിസ്റ്റർ കുറേ ഡ്രസ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. She purchases new dresses very frequently. അവൾ കുറേ പുതിയ ഡ്രസ്സുകൾ എടുത്തു. Though she does not use her clothes after 4-5 wears. 4-5 പ്രാവശ്യം ഇട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? അവള് പുതിയ ഡ്രസ്സുകളൊന്നും ഇടുന്നില്ല. 8 ഡ്രസ്സ് പിന്നെ ഇടുന്നില്ല. 5 പ്രാവശ്യമൊക്കെ ഇടുന്നുള്ളൂ. 4-5 പ്രാവശ്യം ഇടും, പിന്നെ ഇടുന്നില്ല. ഡു യു തിങ്ക് ഷീ ഈസ് റൈറ്റ്? അവൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നല്ല കാര്യമാണോ? വൈ ഓർ വൈ നോട്ട്? എന്ത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? That you have to write in your science notebook. Okay, there is a homework for you, and today we are winding up. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next class.